Hello everyone, how are you? So today I'm going to show when you upload any plugin or theme, you need to showing this error. This error upload max file size. So today I'm going to show how to fix this issue. So let me show you why create this plugin. Let me upload a new plugin, then update. For example, I'm uploading this ist issue plugin and try to install. Please wait, it's need uploaded time. Basically, see, this is issue. So in this issue we need to just your cPanel login access. So I'm already my login my cPanel. Then you can search PHP, then you can go to PHP version. Then you can go to extension. Then you can go to option. You can scroll down and here is max extend time. Here you can 3000 and 6000, and here you can do 15 memory. Some cPanel memory limit 1 GB. So you can just use max memory limit. Then you can go to max upload limit. Here is 1 GB. Then you can post max size. Here is 1 GB. So that's it. So I hope my issue fixed it. Let me try. Okay, try to upload again. I just reload this page because it's working full cache. Upload and new one. Yeah, see, my plugin is now updated. So if you still cannot fix this issue, you can hire me. Link in the description. Have a good day.